So as you can see, we are asked to find the simple interest on 60,000 for 5 years at 9% per annum. So first of all, we are going to start with our formula. Our formula for calculating interest equals to I equals to P times R times T divided by percent, which is 200. So we are going to find our interest. So therefore, we are going to use the formula to solve it. So I equals to our principal. Our principal is 60,000. That is 60,000 times our rate. So our rate, it is 9%. That is times 9 times our time. So our time is 5 years. So times 5 divided by 100. So therefore, I equals to, we are going to say 60 times 9 times 5 divided by 100. So 60,000 times 9 times 5 equals to 2,700,000. So we are having 2,700,000. That is 2,700,000 divided by 100. So this divided by this, your answer equals to, therefore divide by 100. We're having 27,000. So our interest equals to 27,000 naira. That is our final answer. So we have gotten our interest.